Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to use Afterpay in store and online. Now, to use the application when paying online, you should just scroll down till you find here an option saying Afterpay. You just have to check it. Then once you check it, click on Pay Now with Afterpay. You'll have to log in into your Afterpay account, and here it will show you exactly how will you are going to pay and the payment options, the number of payments, and how much money will you pay for each payment. So after you review all of this data, you can simply click on I agree, then hit the confirm button. And once you click on confirm, it will show here that the order is placed. And now if you want to use the application on your phone, now open the application on your phone. And here you have this section, the shop section. You can see all the supported shops. You can go also to orders right here. It will show you all the orders that you have actually paid before or that you want to pay now. It will show you the upcoming payments also. And here in the cards section, you can add a virtual card to pay with or simply use the barcode. Now, the barcode here on the top right side, as you can see, when you just click on it, it will show here this barcode. Now you can show this barcode to the cashier and you will pay with Afterpay. The cashier will scan it so that you can pay easily. And the second option, when using the application, you can use the virtual card. And to do so, you'll have to get two of these two apps on your phone, Google Pay or Apple Pay. So if you do not have these two apps, you cannot get the virtual card option to pay with. So simply click on Pay in Store now with Google Pay or with Apple Pay, whatever you're using, Android or iOS. And now you'll have to confirm the card. And after that, you can simply pay with the card whenever you need. And this is going to be a virtual card on Afterpay. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in a new video.